Hi, my name is Brenda. Um, I will present my five uh, um, favorite activities of the week. Okay. In number five, um, they take my children um, to elementary school and be aware of their education. It it is one of the most important part my week. The number four, go to the park. Once a week, we go to the park to go out and distract ourselves. My children love reading. The dogs of the lake that are there, and it is very fun. Okay. The number three, Perag program. Every Wednesday, I attend my professional practices in the Perag program. Since I love working with children in different workshop that help reinforce their learning. That same day I attend a elementary school to cover a place of educational assistant. Okay. Next. The number two, visit mom. On Saturdays, I visit my mom, who lives in Mexicali, and for school and family reason I cannot see daily. Okay, next. My favorite day is number one. Is Sunday. Since it is my day of rest, and my husband is responsible for my breakfast and cleaning the house while my children. Um, Comment on the English course about the course. I appreciate of my teacher and especially the teaching that I live in me. Thank you.